I presented our Cometh debugger for the Ethereum virtual machine transactions in a previous video, and you saw that by providing the contract bytecode and cold data, you could debug a transaction and have a visual trace of the side effects of an instruction. But Cometh can deeply integrate with the marks factory, and we can bring an entire mark into the debugger by its IPFS hash. This mark exposes the get and set functions from a simple storage smart contract deployed on Ropsten. Now when we execute these functions, the calls and transactions for the smart contract are sent to our debugger instead of being sent to your Web3 provider. So let's see the get function. Now we can see all the instructions in the execution order and their side effects on stack, memory, and storage. Let's take a look now at the set function. We'll set a value of 7. And these are the instructions for the set function, 118 steps. And this is the store. And we can see our value of 7 has been placed in storage at position 0. So you can debug your marks, calls, and transactions. But not only that, you can even edit your mark right here in the debugger. And if we want, we can even export it. Now, if you want someone else to see what you see, you can share a link to the debugger loaded with your mark or any bytecode and call data and the execution step that you are at, like 113 in this case. Are you a volunteer working for decentralized technologies and want early access to Cometh and our cutting-edge Marks Factory tools? Contact me.